Been wanting to try something with the Jeep here. I'm wanting to paint the grill in here, the black part. I'm just gonna paint it like gray, kind of like the color of the bumper, maybe a little bit different, but I'll give it a shot, see how it turns out. So, first of all, we gotta take the grill out. All right, got the grill removed. There's a Torx that's heightened in there, and one up there. That lifts the whole front end straight out of the car. And you got these little spots, little pins here that lock into there. I guess I should point better there. Every other one, there, and there. Same down on the bottom. And then it just lifts straight up out of there. And you got it. Sorry I was zoomed in so close. Now I gotta go wash it. Get it all cleaned up, ready to paint. Well, primer. All right, got my first coat of primer on. Well, it's the only coat I'm gonna put on. The paint has a built-in primer, but this is plastic, so I didn't wanna risk it. So I sprayed some automotive primer on this too. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to dry and then hit it with the paint. All right, I got the first coat of paint on here. I am using a Krylon Fusion all-in-one metallic aluminum. It's not quite the same gray as on the front bumper, but it'd be close without going a full chrome look. I was debating on this color or some like dark gunmetal gray kind of color, which I thought may not show up at all. So this is the first coat. I've got about another hour and I'll put a second coat on. Well, this is what it looks like after putting it back in the grill. I haven't put it back in the Jeep yet, but this is what it looks like. And we'll stick her back in the Jeep here and see what we get. Well, that's what she looks like when she's done. I think it actually looks pretty good. Debated on 3 or 4 different colors, and this one seemed to work out pretty good, so no complaints here. Cost me $8 and about 4 hours of time. And most of that was waiting for the paint to dry.